In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to organize Discord channels and category. By the end, you'll know the simplest, quickest way to tidy up your server's layout so people can find what they need without digging around. Start by opening the server you want to organize. On the left side of your screen, you'll see the server's channel list. This is the vertical pane where everything lives: text channels, voice channels, and the categories that group them. Categories appear as bold headers, and the channels beneath them are slightly indented, showing they belong to that section. If you see a small arrow next to a category, clicking it expands or collapses the list so you can focus on just the parts you're adjusting. To rearrange channels, hover your mouse over a channel name, click and hold, and then drag it up or down in the list. As you move, you'll notice a highlighter line indicating where the channel will land. Release the mouse to drop it into place. This is perfect for putting your most active chat near the top or grouping related discussions together. If you change your mind, don't worry. Just click, hold, and drag it again. Nothing is permanent until you drop it, and you can always move it back. You can also move a channel between categories in exactly the same way. Click and hold the channel, drag it toward the category you want, and drop it beneath that category's header. If the category is collapsed, expand it first so you can see exactly where you're placing the channel. This keeps conversations organized by topic, team, or purpose, and makes navigation much more intuitive for everyone. Finally, you can rearrange entire categories themselves. Grab the category header, click and hold, and drag the whole section up or down the list. Every channel inside that category comes along for the ride, so you can reorganize big sections of your server in seconds. This is especially helpful when priorities change and you want a whole project or department to appear higher in the list. A couple of quick tips as you go. Make sure you have the right permissions to manage channels on that server. If you don't, you won't be able to move things. Take a moment to expand the categories you're editing so you can see exactly where channels will land. And if you're testing a new layout, make small moves first so you can easily track what changed. That's all there is to it. Open your server, use the left pane, and simply drag channels and categories to the order that makes the most sense. With a few quick adjustments, your Discord server will look cleaner, feel more intuitive, and be easier for everyone to use.